Greetings, gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey into the world of the Black Australorp Hen, a poultry breed known for its outstanding egg-laying abilities and charming personality. These birds possess unique qualities that make them a valuable addition to the world of backyard flocks. But before we dive into this fascinating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. The Black Australorp Hen, originally from Australia, has a history that traces back to the early 1900s. These birds are bred for their exceptional egg-laying capabilities, and they hold the world record for the most eggs laid by a single hen in a year. They have gained popularity worldwide for their practicality and productivity. Black Australorp hens are medium-sized birds known for their sleek and shiny black plumage. They have a moderately sized single comb and wattles, which are typically red. Their personalities are friendly, making them a favorite among poultry keepers. To successfully raise Black Australorp hens, you need a well-maintained coop or shelter that provides protection from the elements. They are hardy birds that adapt well to various climates. Providing clean water and a balanced diet is crucial for their overall health and optimum egg production. Black Australorp hens are known for their calm and docile temperament, making them excellent companions for other poultry breeds. They are often kept in mixed flocks, where their friendly nature adds a sense of harmony to the poultry yard. Black Australorp hens are primarily prized for their exceptional egg-laying abilities. They are prolific layers of large brown eggs, making them a favorite among those seeking fresh eggs for consumption or sale. Their friendly disposition also makes them popular as pets and for educational purposes. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of the Black Australorp hen, these productive and friendly birds with a history rooted in Australia and a legacy of egg-laying prowess. From their practicality to their charming personalities, they bring both productivity and companionship to any poultry yard. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.